Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how you can create notes and contacts in GoHighLevel application from AidaForms submission automatically. Guys, AidaForms is an online form builder tool and GoHighLevel application is a sales and marketing platform for marketing agencies. So guys, if you're using these tools and you want to streamline your contact management process, this video is for you. Here I'm going to show you step by step how you can seamlessly integrate your form builder, which is AidaForms. In place of this, you can use any other form builder as well with your GoHighLevel marketing tool, and how you can create notes and contacts in GoHighLevel automatically whenever someone submits your form. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding super simply. So let's get started. Guys, to set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And to reach this page, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. Okay. So guys, sign up right now, and after that sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me provide a name here. So guys, I have given this name. Now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the action is the automated responses of the trigger. So here in our use case guys, we are getting a form submission via AidaForms, and that is going to trigger the workflow, and the action towards this trigger would be to create a contact and notes in GoHighLevel. Okay, so first of all, when you click on this trigger section, it will ask to choose the trigger application. So here you have to choose AidaForms. Okay, then you have to select the trigger event as new response webhook based. Okay, right, and here you can see it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, you can fetch some information from the form application to here in this workflow. Okay, so you need to follow these instructions written here to create this connection with the help of this webhook. So let's follow the instructions. I'm going to my AidaForms application. So this is AidaForms application, and here is the form I have created. Let me click on this edit window, and this is the editor of the form. And here you will find this setup option. Click on setup. Under setup page on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find this third party integrations option. Click on third party integrations, and under the setup page you will find this webhooks tab. Click on webhooks, and here you have to paste your webhook URL that you got from your workflow. So just click on copy here, and you can see as we have copied the URL, it started listening for the data that you are going to receive on this URL. So paste this URL here. Okay, here you can read, as soon as new response arrives, AidaForm will automatically send an HTTP post request containing the response in JSON format to the webhook URL that you have pasted below. Okay, now you can click on continue, and from here we do not want to send any customized headers. So select no option and then click on create button, and your connection will be set up like this. Okay, it's up and running. Now you can publish your form and copy the link of the form and open it here in a new tab like this. Okay, and here you can see guys, still waiting for the response to come. So this means now we can perform a test submission. This means guys, now I'm going to open the form and manually fill by myself, and you have to do it once. And as I'm going to submit the form with some test details or dummy details, the response will be captured here in this section, and with the help of that test data we are going to move forward. Okay, so let me fill in the details of any test person. Let's say the first name of the person is Jane and the last name is Test. So here let me put the email address as this. So guys, I have filled the form. You can see first name, last name, email address and phone number, and here I'm clicking on submit button. and you can see the form is getting submitted. Okay, so the form submission have been received. Let's check in our workflow, and here you can see we have received the data like this, and in this response you can see we have received the same data. This is the email address, this is the first name Jane, last name Test. Okay, this is how you can capture the data, guys, of a form response from AidaForms. Now with the help of this data, I want to create a contact and GoHighLevel. So GoHighLevel is listed here as lead connector, because lead connector is a application created by HighLevel platform which you can gray label for your business. Okay, action event would be create or update a contact. Okay, click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with lead connector version 2 or high level, and from here you have to select your sub account of your agency and you will be connected in a moment. So we are now connected, and here you can see started showing these fields here: first name, last name, full name, email address. So we need to fill up these fields to create or update a contact in high level. Okay, and we are going to use these labels I have received here in the response of the trigger step, and I'm going to map these labels here in these fields. So just click here, and you can see the previous step is appearing in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find the data right here. So from here just click on this first name label to map it as the first name, then click on the last name label. Similarly, you can map the full name by mapping both first and the last names. Okay, similarly map the email address, map the phone number. Okay, so if you have all other details you can map the details here. Right now I'm just mapping the required things. Here it is asking if this contact is on DND or do not disturb mode. You can select true or false for that. I'm selecting false. Okay, and here you can see all the settings related to DND, and finally you can test your connection with high level by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new contact will be created in high level application. So I'm clicking here, and this is the response we have received, guys. You can see just showing a new contact ID. This means a new contact has been created, and you can just check it from here in the contacts list and GoHighLevel. This is GoHighLevel application, and here you can see we got a new contact added named as Test Jane. Okay, and you can open it as well, and here you can see, guys, right now we do not have any notes here. So to add a note for this contact, just click here on this plus icon to add one more action window, and here just search for lead connector once again, and this time choose the action event as add notes to contact. Add notes to contact, and click on connect button. Now, guys, we have already connected with lead connector, so use the existing connection, select this option and click on save one more time, and you will be connected again. And here it will ask you to select to map the contact ID. So to map the contact ID created here in the previous step, here you can see in the previous step we got this contact ID created. Now I am going to map it here. Toggle this map button to on, then erase this help text, and you can see the previous steps are appearing here. From the second step, map the contact ID like this. Okay, all right, then it will ask you to select your sub accounts user ID. So you can select your sub account user ID, and here it is asking to add the note. So you can add a note here manually, like I am giving the note as this contact. So guys, I have added a small note here, and this note says this contact got imported from AidaForm submission. You can enter any other note as well. Right now you can check your connection with your high level application by clicking on save and send test request, and a note will be added here. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and this is the response I received. You can see, and we have received a note ID. This means a new note will be added. Let me show you here. Let me refresh my contact, and here you can see, guys, in my contact I got a new note added, and it says this contact got imported from AidaForm submission. This is the date and the time of the note, and this is the same note I have added here. So our connection is working perfectly fine, and we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically whenever a new form is submitted on AidaForms. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.